Bowlby, attachment theory. Define the major components of attachment theory. Attachment theory is a concept that John Bowlby developed. He was the first theorist for this concept. He defined attachment as the affectionate connection an infant creates with their caregiver. The nurturing presence of a caregiver provides a sense of security to the child, which then allows them to explore their environment. This is known as the secure base, a concept Bowlby utilized to explain a healthy attachment among the child and parent. For an infant to have a healthy emotional and social development, they must create a special bond with their main caregiver. The attachment a child and parent form are crucial and an influential part in their upbringing. Bowlby created 4 stages for the first 3 years of a child's attachment development. Number 1, pre-attachment. Number 2, attachment in the making. Number 3, clear-cut attachment. Number 4, formation of reciprocal.
How the Bowlby attachment theory relates to the 3 domains of development: physical, cognitive, and psychosocial. First, Bowlby's attachment theory relates to the physical development of a child because infants or young children need to stay in close contact with their biological parents. If not, they will develop proximity-seeking behaviors that can be caused by separation, insecurity, or lack of close proximity. The second development this theory relates to is a child's cognitive development. In Bowlby's maternal deprivation hypothesis, he suggests that constant attachment distribution between the infant and the caregiver can result in long-term mental issues for that child because they will become distant towards others. The last domain this theory relates to is the psychosocial development of a child. Bowlby says that babies are born with the need to make bonds with their caregivers at a young age. These bonds are developed early on, and they can influence their future relationships and attachments towards people throughout their lives.
How do early childhood education teachers and caregivers form a secure attachment with children? Strategies that educators may use are consistency in improving relationships and encouraging positive interactions, work with the student's family to learn more about the child's needs, and calm responses in modeling expected behavior. While young children use attachment styles explained to maintain a sense of security and comfortability with their parental figures, it is important that children experience similar feelings with their educators. Positive effects on students who form a secure attachment with their educators look like: children who display healthy attachment traits often experience more success in early childhood education, displaying improved socialization and academic performance. These students may also be more empathetic, less disruptive, less aggressive, and more mature than those with ambivalent or avoidant styles.
Bell Hook's theory focuses on the feminist practice. It calls attention to the different teaching strategies and uses education as a practice of freedom. James Baldwin's talk to teachers, he states that to support young Black and brown people in our struggle for social change, our educational institutions and educators must include anti-racist work and restorative justice practices that focus on healing and repairing harms. It is your responsibility to change society if you think of yourself as an educated person. James Baldwin.